Hi guys, welcome back to Drawing Land for Kids. Today we're going to be drawing a minion from the new Minion movie, Rise of Gru. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do using a Sharpie or pencil, we're just going to draw a curved line. And this is going to be for the top of the head. And then we're just going to bring the sides down and do the same thing on this side, bring the sides down. And okay, he does have one eye, so we're gonna jump ahead and draw his eye in the center, and he's also wearing a goggle. So let's very carefully, we're gonna draw a circle right about here. If you want, you can practice drawing some circles before you come ahead and draw the one for his eye. Now let's draw another circle on the inside for his goggle. And when you're ready, let's draw a curved line right over here for his eyelid. Now for his eye, we're just going to draw a curved line here. And let's draw a circle right over here. Okay, now let's draw the band for his goggle. Let's draw a line here and a line going across here, and then bring the side down. And let's do the same thing on the other side. We're going to draw a line going this way and another line right underneath, and bring this line down. Now we're going to draw a line over here and a line over here. And let's add some little details on the goggle. Just a curved little line. And now I'm going to jump back up here and let's draw his little hairs coming out. So just take your marker or pencil, and we're just going to draw these short little quick lines. Okay, when you guys are ready, let's go ahead and draw a smile for a minion, just like that. And now we're going to continue drawing the rest of its body. We're actually going to go down a little bit more. Same thing on this side. And now we're going to draw a curved line right over here. And this is going to be where his clothing will continue on. Now let's go ahead, let me zoom this back out. Okay, when you guys are ready, we're going to draw the rest of his body. So we're going to take this line and go all the way down. And do the same thing on this side. It is a little harder drawing with a Sharpie because you're not able to stop and erase, which is why I definitely recommend using a pencil when starting out. And then now we're just going to curve these lines in and finish the body. Okay. When you guys are ready, let's go and add some details to his clothing. Let's draw a little pocket right here. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Draw a quick line and half a circle or a curved line. And now we can draw his little zipper for his hoodie. And there's some extra details in here that we're going to add in by coloring. So let's draw a quick line here. And let's draw another line here. And then we're also going to draw 2 curved lines down here. 1, 2. When you guys are ready, let's go ahead and draw the arm. So we're just going to add a curved line going down, followed by another curved line. Let's draw a line here for the glove. And then we're going to come back down and draw a curved line going this way. That's 1 finger. We're going to draw another finger and a line like that. Now let's move over to the other side. We're going to draw a curved line here and draw a line here, connect, and we're just going to draw his other hand wearing a glove. Let's draw a line there, followed by a curved line, another curved line here, and then we're just going to draw a line here. Okay, now all we have left to do are his pants and his sneakers. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to draw a curved line here, followed by another curved line here. Now we're just going to draw like a little upside down U shape right over here. And now let's draw a quick line here and a quick line here. Now right over here, we're going to add a curved line right over here. So let's draw a curved line here and connect. Let's do the same thing on this side. We're going to draw a curved line and go up. And then let's draw a line here for the bottom of the sneakers. And that is pretty much how you would draw a minion. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let's come back and see what the colored version looks like. These lines right here, I'm going to color in white because that is what he's wearing in the movie. In one of the scenes, he's wearing this blue outfit with the white stripes going across. So, you know, when you're coloring this in, you could just leave these lines white and then color the rest blue. Let's come back and look what the final version looks like. Okay guys, here's the colored in version. Of course, I always love coloring these in because they look so much better. I did use my iPad for this. I did use an app called Procreate, which is a digital app, drawing app, but you guys can use anything you have at home. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a like and subscribe and share it with someone that you love. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.